you off that bed. Why aren't you under your covers?
Huh? Mom?
Why aren't you under your covers?
What are you doing here?
I'm here to supervise you, of course.
Supervise?
Of course. I mean, you can't get your soccer scholarship by just sleeping around all day.
Am I dreaming?
Of course not.
Stop throwing that thing at me.
Not until you wake up. Come on. Time for soccer. Come on. Boy, this girl, she's insane. Come on, wake up. Oh, honey.
What?
How come you're at the end of your bed?
Because I rolled all the way on the stairs?
Okay, come on, soccer.
Oh, I don't want to go to soccer.
You have to go to soccer.
I don't.
Seriously, she's in. She's like a cat sometimes. What are you doing with the soccer ball? Wake up, mother!